Hello guys, here's an update for the Blender and Unity Low Poly FPS game kit. I added many new features. Let's have a look at the demo scene so that you can see them. We have an enemy, this turret, which is shooting at the player, and when he is hit you see this damage overlay. It is configurable. I will show you in a moment how you can do this, and you can also destroy the turrets. So guys, you see we have many new assets and they are all included in the game kit. I guess I can add it to the asset store in about 3 weeks. Okay, here's another enemy. And the next thing I will add is that they rotate in the direction of the player. And here's a fireplace, and when I walk into it, I'm also hurt. I now reached the second level of damage, but I can collect first aid. And here's another one. And I feel much better now. What I also added are some hit effects. So when I shoot, for example here onto this building, you see some gray stones flying around, but I will also add the feature that you see the impact of the bullets on the walls. Some destructions, but depending on the surface of the hit object. At the moment I created about 50 meshes for the environment, but there will be more. And all these meshes I also added as prefabs with colliders that you can just drag into the scene, like this box here, or this kind of wooden house. Just drag it into the level and use it. And as I said, let me explain these damage overlays. They are added to the canvas, to the HUD, and these represent different levels of damage. You could also add custom ones, and you can define, using the HUD script, at which number of health points, at which damage level these will appear. The turret is also a prefab that you can use out of the box. Drag it into the scene, start the game, and it works. You can define parameters for it, like the number of hits that are needed to destroy it, the distance when the player is detected, or the detection rate. As you know, you can track the progress here on the Trello. All these features are implemented, like a system for the player's health, the ammo management and display. At the moment I'm working on the environment game assets, and some of them I can remove, they are done, like the first aid. And the asset for the fireplace. Next features will be the reload animations and a new weapon, a knife. The link to the Trello is added to the description below. So guys, I hope you liked these devlogs, the update information about the FPS game kit. If you have any feature wishes or ideas, then add these to the comments below. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you soon in the next one.